Today's premier off-road vehicles offer reliable performance and exploration. SUVs, pickup trucks, and military-inspired machines provide superior durability for conquering any terrain. When buying an off-road vehicle, consider the type of vehicle, four-wheel or all-wheel drive, aftermarket support, and angles to ensure best fit for needs. Unleashing the beasts, today's premier off-road vehicles. Off-road vehicles embody the perfect blend of dependability and exploration, giving you the freedom to traverse the most challenging terrains with confidence. 1. Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. The Jeep Wrangler Rubicon is a powerhouse of performance. It's equipped with features such as Dana 44 front axle, Rock-Trac part-time 4WD system, electronically disconnecting front sway bar for improved front-wheel articulation, 2 speed transfer cases. These features further boost off-road performance, earning its place among off-road aficionados. 2. Toyota 4Runner. Toyota's 4Runner TRD Pro offers 2.5-inch TRD tuned suspension, Fox shocks, TRD springs, robust skid plates, Mito all-terrain tires, electronically lockable rear differential, Toyota's multi-terrain select system. 3. Ford Bronco. The Ford Bronco Sasquatch package includes 35-inch mud-terrain tires, high-clearance suspension, 4.7 final drive ratio, 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels, electronically locking front and rear differentials. 4. Lexus GX 550. The Lexus GX 550 caters to luxury off-roaders with its Overtrail and Overtrail Plus models, providing a perfect blend of opulence and capability. These off-road titans reign supreme, blending dependable performance with adventurous spirit for an unmatched off-road escapade. 5. Conquering the elements, SUVs built for the wild. SUVs have long been the go-to choice for off-road enthusiasts, thanks to their advanced technology, powerful engines, and superior off-road capabilities. Equipped with features such as all-wheel drive, ample ground clearance, raised roof rails, locking differentials, steel bumpers, off-road driving mode. These vehicles are built to tackle any terrain with ease. The legendary Toyota Land Cruiser, for example, has earned a reputation for its off-road prowess, boasting locking differentials, high ground clearance, and various terrain traction modes to handle even the most challenging trails. The Mercedes-Benz G-Class, with its military vehicle roots, offers unparalleled toughness and off-road capability, thanks to its sturdy construction and advanced features such as steel front bumpers with integrated winches and automatic firepower.